Stick around to see how I got these chewy, soft peanut butter cookies. Good morning, renovators. We're going to be baking some peanut butter cookies today. We're going to 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half a stick of butter, 1 egg, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and a cup of peanut butter. So let's get started. First, I'm going to preheat the oven to 350. The first thing we're going to do is to cream the half stick of butter. And to do this, we will take the half cup of white sugar and brown sugar and mix it together until the butter is nice and creamy. That's looking pretty good. Now we're going to add our 1 egg to the mixture and cream that as well. We're going to add the vanilla extract now. Now we're going to add the peanut butter to the mixture. Remember to scrape the bowls so all the ingredients will be mixed well. We're going to add the flour here and we're just about done. Now I'm going to use my medium-sized ice cream scooper to make all my cookies so they can pretty much come out the same size. Now I'm just going to roll them right here just to make them a little bit more uniform before I press them down with the fork. Right here I'm going to go one direction, then take the fork on the opposite direction, and I'm going to pretty much do that with all the cookies.